What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trending Crypto. Today we're over SUI, which is down 0.4% at 417. To ring in the new year, we're at $12.5 billion market cap. In my personal opinion, the bottom is in. And once we get into the technical analysis, I'll show you why. I've been going over this uptrend pretty much every single video for SUI right now, and it's still holding strong. So there's 3 billion coins in circulation out of 10. So there's 30 billion, or 30% of the coins are in circulation. All-time high was 17 days ago at almost $5. All-time low was a year ago at 36 cents. SUI is pretty much available on all exchanges, guys. We have 36 different pages of exchanges that you can buy SUI on. So if you want it, you can find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on SUI. All right, everybody. So let's get into SUI here. We've had this uptrend drawn for a while since August of 2024, and we are consolidating and testing it perfectly right now as expected. Every time we've touched this uptrend, we've seen some very, very volatile movement to the upside. Yes, volatile movement to the upside. Back here, we touched it. We rallied 2x. Back here, we touched it. We rallied almost another 2x. So I wouldn't be shocked at all if this next push sent us way above that way above that $5 range for SUI. Indicators right now are looking very, very good on the day chart. Let's clear this up. What I mean by that is, look at the MACD. We had very, very heavy bearish move on the MACD. The last 3 days have been less and less bearish, with these candles getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And eventually the blue's going to cross back over the orange, and that's going to be bullish. Look, that's the most bearish we've ever been on the MACD. How insane is that? How crazy is that? Most bearish we've been on the MACD, with the indicators being on the bullish side. So I wouldn't be shocked at all if we started getting a double bottom right here, similar to what happened right here. We can start rallying pretty hard to the upside. RSI as well. RSI does seem to be finding a local bottom right here, and is putting in a higher low, which in turn is bullish within itself as well. So it does look like the RSI is bottom. WTX is still falling. So the WTX is still falling, which is very unfortunate. We'll be monitoring that, and we did unfortunately break our uptrend right there, so we'll be monitoring that closely. But nonetheless, we are testing the support out right now. Uptrend support, this has to hold. If this doesn't hold, then we could be in for a bad time. But high to the low right here, if I actually draw off the initial run-up phase from right here, we can see we're currently consolidating on the 786 at about that $4 range. And those whole numbers are very psychological support and resistance numbers, going from a 3 to a 4 with some zeros after it. And if we do happen to break below the 786, the next main support is the 618 at 331. I don't think that's going to happen, because what I've been noticing for SUI is every single dip that happens is just getting absolutely bought up. Like, I'm a heavy believer in SUI. As you can see, I built my project on top of SUI because that's how strong I think this is going to be during the bull run. And I'm looking to pick up more SUI on the dip, but every time it dips, it gets eaten up. But realistically, if we hold the support, our next main resistance here is up here at about $6.50, and then we'll reassess the situation. Our goal, not our lifelong goal, but our short-term goal, is hopefully see that heavy rally to the upside to the 1618, which brings us to $10. But that's when but we'll reassess the situation at that point. But remember, when SUI runs, the altcoins run with it. So if you want to get yourself some fish, though, there's a link in the description below. Or if you want to earn SUI by playing our game Fish, that is also in the description below. It's a pretty fun game. But overall, SUI's looking fantastic, guys. I think the bottom's going to be in here soon, and we're going to start seeing some reversal to the upside. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments, and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.